Every business loves getting new orders on Shopify, but the real problem starts after the order is placed. Manually copying customer details and updating it into your CRM becomes messy and time consuming. And when your store starts receiving dozens or hundreds of orders daily, handling everything manually becomes almost impossible. That's exactly why in today's video we are going to automate this entire process. So whenever a new order is created in Shopify, based on each user, a new contact is going to be created inside your Salesforce CRM instantly and without any manual work. No copy pasting, no missed customer data. Everything happens automatically in real time. In this single video, we are going to build this complete workflow step by step using Pabbly Connect without coding. So even if you are a beginner, you will be able to create this automation easily by following along with this tutorial. By the end of this video, you will have a fully automated Shopify to Salesforce integration running for your business. So let's begin. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without coding. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option, and you know what is the craziest part? Once you do the sign up process, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you just have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Next, if you want to build a workflow from scratch, then you will go with this option, but here I am making a smart move and creating a workflow by using AI. Once I select this option, see, the Pabbly Connect AI Studio is going to be appear in front of you, where you just have to give a simple prompt and it will automatically generate the workflows for you. So I just gave a prompt testing Shopify orders to Salesforce CRM. See it analyzing my request, and immediately it says that which Shopify video trigger should start this workflow. So I am selecting it as a new order, because as soon as a new order is received through my Shopify store, then automatically my workflow gets triggered. Next, it asks which Salesforce action would you like for create contact. So I am selecting it as in create contact, and you will see it automatically creates my workflow and it is asking me for my approval. So I am approving it by clicking on this approve and create button, and you will see it says that workflow created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow, and this is how easily you can create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. It will automatically gives me both the steps, that is Shopify and Salesforce. Here the Shopify is my trigger and the Salesforce is action. See, as we have already got the applications, now what's the next we have to do? So we have to make a connection. So for that, I am clicking on the application. It will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that's how you can connect your Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. I'm simply copying this webhook URL from here, and now I am going to take you to my Shopify account. See, this is my Shopify homepage. Now for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Shopify, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this notifications option. After that, you have to click on this webhooks option. Here you just have to scroll down and click on this plus create webhook button. After that, select the event from here as order creation, and next the format I'm selecting is JSON, and paste the webhook URL in this field that you have copied from your workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, the webhook API version I'm selecting as latest and clicking on the save button. See, the webhook is saved successfully. Now I'm going back to my workflow and clicking on this recapture webhook response. See, it has started waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I'm going towards my online store and going to purchase something from it. Let's say I want to purchase this butterfly necklace, so I'm selecting this and clicking on this buy it now button. Now for making a payment, I need to add the test details in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the email address as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. First name is dummy, last name is user, one test contact number, and one test payment details too. After that, I'm clicking on this pay now button, and see, the payment is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received any response or not. See, automatically I received any response 6 seconds ago, and it includes all the details that I have entered while doing the payment. This clarifies that the connection between the Shopify and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. Moving forward, our next application is Salesforce. Now for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Salesforce Salesforce account, you just have to click on this connect button. If you have an existing, then you will go with this. Here I'm making a new one, so I'm selecting this option and clicking on this connect with Salesforce. Next, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I'm permitting it by clicking on this allow button. And this is how easily you can connect your Salesforce account with Pabbly Connect. Now in each of these fields, I'm doing the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Shopify V2. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I am doing the mapping of first name, that is dummy. After that, the last name, that is user. Next, the email address. Here I am mapping only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data, integrate different applications and many more. The logic will be the same. Here I have mapped the contact number to. Next, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank and clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my Salesforce account too by refreshing it. Automatically a new contact is created inside my Salesforce CRM by the name of dummy user, and it includes all the leads that I have mapped in the workflow. So this is how it works. As a contact is successfully created inside our Salesforce CRM, this means that the connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now the creation of our workflow is fully completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool called Pabbly Connect. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.